Hey humans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this hoe. How are you? Coming up in this video, I've got a collab with Gwenny, styled by Gwenny, and we bought the same bag. We didn't know it at the time, but we did, and now we are going to unbox and review that bag coming up in this video. But first, I have to tell you, my daughter, the oldest one, likes to do TikTok and watch TikToks. I mean, the kids are consumed with TikTok now, and it's funny. I like watching some of it. She absolutely loves to get my reaction on something, so a lot of times she'll say, "Mom, you know, let me ask you something," and she'll record me. So, maybe 3 weeks ago, it was a song called Then Leave. Okay, guys, stop down the video, Google that song, listen to it, and then come back and tell me what you think. Also, a song called WAP by Cardi B. I liked them both. I didn't see anything. I guess the TikTok thing is to get your parents' reaction, like, "Oh my God, clutching my pearls." Seriously, no ma'am. You ain't gonna get me, clutching my pearls on no rap songs. I'm telling you, I grew up with, like, nasty stuff too. As a matter of fact, I'm going to say one for you right now. Say ho, can I ask you a question? Do you like to... Oh, you don't like me talking to you that way. I saw you walking down the street and I had to stop. Turn up the radio and drop the top. You look so good. You look so fine. Young tender, won't you be mine? Now, like I said, I can only sing a very small portion of that song because it gets nasty. And so I am used to nasty songs. It doesn't shock me. I don't get too freaked out by, you know, words. They don't bother me. Here's the thing. If you know the name of that song from back in the day, I'm going to put you into win today, okay? While I'm doing this video, I will give you until, today is Monday, September 14th. I will give you until Thursday, let's say 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. That will be the 17th of September. If you know the name to that song, put the name in a comment. I will put all the correct titles into a drawing, randomly pick a winner, and that winner will win. I bought an extra one of these, like Murakami flower necklaces on Amazon. I also have a luggage tag that I got pre-loved that I'm not using. It's not going to be brand new quality, but I'm going to gift these two things to the person that knows the name of the song, and I will pick a random winner because I expect there will be more people in the drawing than just one, so we'll pick that. Coming up, I'll do a video on Thursday, but I'll give you until Thursday the 17th. Make sure I'm telling you right. Yeah, Thursday, September 17th, 2020, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's 12 noon. So, yes, moving right along, Gwenny and I are doing a collab video. Can't say enough good about Gwenny. It's styled by Gwenny. If you haven't ever been there, I'm sure you have. She is going to be a major player in the YouTube game. She's hilarious. She's witty. She's fun. I love her accent. As a matter of fact, when I read any of her posts, I read them I try to... You know, my British accent is very lacking, but I try to read it as if she were saying it to me. It's just something I've always done. But, you know, hello, you gorgeous people of the interwebs, you know, sort of like that, because I love to hear it. It could lull me to sleep at night. Maybe someday she will. What? Just kidding, guys. But we bought some Prada together. We both bought the same bag, so I was like, wait, we got to do this video right. We got to do it together. So after you watch this one, if you haven't come over from her video, go to her video next and watch it. Please subscribe, give the thumbs up, all of the good things, get the notifications. Yes, honey, yes. This came in last week in a very large box, and I was like, wait, I didn't order that big of a bag, but okay, Prada, I see you. So it came in this box, And I have not opened it yet. I did sort of look at it, but I didn't, because it's taped shut, I didn't get in there too much. Oh, and it did come like this. Very luxe. The tissue paper, the tissue, has Prada embossed on the front. Very, very fancy. Let's see what my little, oh yeah. I always make a card because I just feel like you're paying for it. You might as well get everything you can get. So I put a little tag in there. Your first Prada bag, me. So I wrote this to myself because I have never owned any Prada. Authentic Prada, I have never had any. So, exciting! So anyway, the tissue. Ooh, girl. This took a while to get here too. I want to say it took over 2 weeks. Alright. Here's what you get inside the box. I got another envelope inside there, by the way, with the bag, underneath the bag. Let's just see. I'm so dang excited, man. Oh, okay. It's just my shipping label should I decide to return it. I don't think so. So this little bag, it's still taped up. You've got your little, I've got it the wrong way. You've got your little ribbon on there. Nice little detail. Louis Vuitton, hey, learn a lesson from Prada today, okay? The extras, we like that. All right. Got to untie your little ribbon. I feel so swanky and so, I don't know, it just feels so, luxurious. I'm not gonna throw that out. Oh, hell no. Okay, let's get into it. Inside of it is this. I like that you get a bag. Oh, this is cute in blue. Not a bad dust bag. I think it's not coming through very, it's kind of just a cotton, sort of soft, maybe linen-like, very see-through bag, but I got this little jewel. Oh my gosh. Yes. Nylon. You guys know I'm a big fool about nylon. But yeah, girl. Give it the old turn. All right. It comes with this little thing, but I watched Rochelle's video, and that's the reason I bought this. Is because I thought, man, that Prada bag was really affordable. I want it. And it's just a mini pouch. They had it in different colors too, but all those were sold out. So I got the black, and I'm okay with that. But I thought about her hack, and I was like, you know what? I can totally undo the little thing here and put a regular strap on this and crossbody it. Because what she was saying was that she put little on each side, one here and one on the little thingy doog, the little D-ring or whatever. So I'm going to do that. This strap is just a nondescript leather strap that I bought from Amazon for like 10 bucks. I got it to go on my Givenchy Antigona, or Antigona, sorry. I said that the same way twice, right? I'm losing it. So, it's black, yes. I'm liking it so far. And you could either put it on the strap part or put it through, what she did was she put it through one of these little, girl, yes. I get it. It looks great. Let me see. This is going to work out perfectly. It's very lightweight. So, I mean, it's very lightweight. I feel like you could carry a whole lot in here though. Seriously. Okay, let's open her back up and take the stuffing out and see. Ooh, hoo, hoo, girl, I am going to carry her for sure. So inside comes your little care booklet, your little card. Nothing else. Okay. So it is like a little black hole in there. There's no pockets, no nothing. Like I said, it's just like a makeup pouch almost. But inside it does have the Prada embossed lining, or not embossed, but printed on there. It kind of is a little bit raised, which is black like the bag. So, ooh, girl, I love it. I will have to come back and do a what fits. Oh, yes, girl. Okay, so she does hit me right up about the waist. So right around the waist, not down to the hip, but right above your hip. So it's a perfect crossbody. Oh, yeah. She's going to be great, girl. Yes. I will come back and do another video, like a what fits in my bag, what's in my bag or whatever, and what fits, and some mod shots. But yeah. Go on the side. I'm going to link it below. You can see that I got this for a steal. I think the next bag was like $500-600 above the price of this, so this is very affordable. And they did have some, you know, like, it was back ordered, I think, not really pre-ordered, but you could order it, and then when they get more, they'll send it to you. But this came in beautiful different colors, like a red color, and then it also came in like a fire engine red with some brown leather detail on it, so that was kind of cute. But yeah, they had all kinds of colors on there, probably 5 or 6 different colors. But I love the black because I can wear this with everything, and I love the silver detail on there. Girl, yes. Thank you to Gwenny for doing this with me, collabing with me on this little bag today. I also am wearing this mask, which I got. I will do a video on the stuff that I've ordered from this particular website. So cute, such really neat things. But I'm wearing this mask this weekend, and I'm also carrying Chanel for the whole weekend, so crossbodying her. Yes, we are doing it. We're getting out of this house a little bit, not a whole lot, but I'm wearing my mask and social distancing and washing the hands and hand sanitizing. And coming up Thursday, I will post a winner for the contest for the pre-loved luggage tag and the little Murakami flower necklace. I happened to order 2 of these. I don't know why. But I will announce the winner. Just put your answer, the song title to the song that I just did, in the comments below. We will do a random picker on YouTube and find a winner on that, and I will announce it on Thursday. But go over now, if you haven't done so already, and watch my girl Gwenny, Style by Gwenny's channel, and watch her video that she did on this bag as well. I absolutely love it. This is a keeper. This is my first Prada, and I am gone. I'm dad girl. You heard? Loving it. I hope you all have a great week. I will come back on Thursday and do all the stuff I just said. I'm not really sure what kind of video it's going to be, but hey, we'll figure it out. Thank you for watching this today, and listen, if you all see my husband, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Nasty. Keep that clean, then scream, woo! I swear the lemur behind Gwenny is hypnotizing me to buy stuff. He likes to move it. It's King Julian, for sure. Oh God, I forgot to say, Gwenny, I bought these little earrings. Well, they're not actually little, but they're kind of big because you bought the little safety pin looking ones from, I think, Ana Luisa. Is that right? I can't remember, but yeah, girl, check them out. What do you think? What do you like them? You totally influenced me on that. Love you, girl.